drawing a line given its equation. So now we are going to see, we have been drawing lines when we just have points. Now here, we are going to see how to draw a line when you are given the point of that line. So in the groups of 4, complete the table below using the given equation of line. So here they are giving us y equaling 2x plus 1. Then they want us to complete this table. Here they are giving us this. Then you have to complete this table. These are x values. These are y values. They are giving you some values. So get and see how they are getting them. Then the points on the line. Find the points on the line using the table below. So they are giving you this line. They want to get the points on that line. Then after that, in your groups, copy and complete the table below of the line. This is the line. Plot the points and hence draw the line. So basically here we are going to be seeing how we use the lines. How we use the points to draw a line. Now here, it's you to generate those points. In the previous lesson, we've been seeing when they are giving you the points. Now it's up to you to generate those points, and then after you draw a line. So you can start, you have 20 minutes for a complete work in your groups. Okay, we have started. Okay, if you through, you can forward the work to me. But you indicate your group, indicate the group name, then you forward the work. Okay, so this is group 9. Okay, so this is how group 9 they are doing their last graph. I think people can see that's how they are doing their graph there. I think you can see the graph. So we have group 9, they did these last 2. So let me put their work here. This is group 9. Group 9, this is how they did their work. Then we have also this one here. So that's how they managed to do their work. So the rest I don't know if we are able to. Okay, then we have group F. We have group F here. Group F are doing the one from negative. Okay, they did this one. So this is from group F. This is from group F. Then we have the next group is group 2. Which one did they do? They did this one. This is group 2 here. Then the weather is and then we have this one as this was from group 4. This was from group 4. This is from group 4. And then this is from group 2. Okay, so let us see how we can add or remove something from these groups. Okay, now from here, when you look at group 4, group 2, they are having their, I think everyone can see those writings there. Okay, that's what they are able to present to us. But now they are not showing me how they are getting them. Anyway, so they gave you these values and then you have to copy and complete. So when x is 0, they have 1. Okay, this was up. How did they get the 1? So now we use the formula here up. We use the formula. So our formula is y equaling x plus 1. So the x value you use that. when x is negative 1 plus 1, that's how they go to 0. So when x is 0, now remember our substitution, we started the substitution. So now it means that when x is 0, you come and you put there. So our y will be 0 plus 1, which will be 1. So that's how they are getting this one. Okay, so what about this one? When x is 2, so y is going to be, you get this 2 here, you put it here, so 2 plus 1, which gives a 3. Okay, so here, when x is 3, y will be, so where there is x, we substitute a 3. So this is 3 plus 1, which is equally 4. So I want to group them as next time we will come and demonstrate for friends. So that's how they are getting these values. So mark them. Everybody, so 1, I think here they are all right. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay, and this is okay. So these ones they are getting 4 out of 4. Okay, when they come to group 4, when x is negative 2, when they put here negative 2, they got on 1, really. So you have y equaling to 2x minus 3. So when x is negative 2, our y will be 2 into negative 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 times negative 2, we get negative 4, then minus 3. So y here becomes negative 7. So the y here was supposed to be negative 7. So this one is not right. Y there was supposed to be negative 7. This was supposed to be negative 7 there. Okay. So then when y is 0, when x is 0, they go to negative 3, which is okay, because it's when it's 0, and that is my right. So when x is 0, y will be 2 into 0, where there is x we put 0, then minus 3. So y will be 0, minus 3, so y will be negative 3. So this is supposed to be negative 3 as they suggested. So this is okay. Then when x is 2, when we put there 2, so they got that. So these ones, they got 2 up to 3. Okay, when we come to this group, now this one, they wanted them to get the points. Okay, so when x is negative 3, they have negative 5, really. So let us, the equation we have is y equal to negative x minus 2. So when x is negative 3, we have our y as negative. Remember this one's already negative, but our x is now negative 3. Then minus 2. This will be negative and negative, we get a positive, so this will be 3 minus 2, and the answer was supposed to be 1. So this is wrong. When this is negative 1, when x is negative 1, when x is negative 1, when you put here negative 1, we have y equaling to negative into 1 minus 2, which was supposed to be, this is positive 1. Now this is positive 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So that's what I expected to be. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Then when x is 0, they put there 0, so this is right. And when x is 2, and this is also right. So these 2 points are wrong. These ones are very okay. So the point we expected, this point, so it's that x is, remember our point is given in the form of x, y. So our x here was negative 3. The value of y we got is 1. Then the other one here, x is negative 1. You start x is negative 1. The value of y we got here is negative 1. So those are the points I expected. I expected this, and then this 2. So after that, we come to group 9. I think now you know how they are getting it now. So group 9, this is how they got. So the points they got where when x is negative 1, they put here negative 1. So y is going to be x plus 2. So when x is negative 1, y will be negative 1 plus 2, which is 1. So point negative 1, comma 1. When they put x is 0, here they got 0, comma 2, which is okay. Then when x is 2, they put here 2, they got 4. So 2, comma 4. Those are the points I expected, and they are giving them right. So this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Then plot the points and hence draw a line. So can you plot these ones? The problem, but it's not visible for you all. Let me do the plotting here. Negative 1, 1. So this one is x. This one is y. Negative 1, 1, which is there. I think you can able see. Then 0, 2 is there. Then we have 2, 4. 2, 4 is right there. Then after we do what? We get a ruler and then we join those points. So from there, I'll get my ruler like this, then I join those 3 points that I was able to generate. So that is it. So that's how. Then you indicate this is 2, 4. This is 0, 2. You indicate these points, negative 1, 1. And then the last thing, these people they never named this line. So you name, this was a line y, this line was y equaling 2x plus 2. Then there you are sure you are going to get all the marks. So you are going to try out that exercise. This is okay, this is okay, and this is okay. You are going to try out that exercise on in your last game. Then you are going to see how you go further from this example. So that's what we had today. I wish you well. Okay.